welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. This is Sogoodhair here, and I am back with another video where I pretty much show you guys how I revamp, I guess transform the wig into a completely different one. This hair is from Sogoodhair, and I also added layers, so if you're interested in that, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. Follow me on Twitch. Also, big announcement, I got a new little cat. Okay, it's a ragdoll cat, and I made him an Instagram page. His name is Archie. I'm gonna insert the picture. Yeah, so anywho, yeah, that's all I have to say. So for shipping for this hair, it was pretty quick. I got it in about like 4 days or something, and it's 16 inches, color burgundy. I'm gonna put a screenshot of the exact wig that I got. Really, so far I haven't had no problems with it at all. Like I said, the only thing I had for the first couple of weeks was, you know, every time I washed it, the color would kind of like, the water would be like pinkish red, and when I flat iron it, my hands would kind of turn pink. Like you can see right here, it's not bad, like it doesn't transfer on your clothes or anything, but that was the only con I would say about it. But overall, the hair is fine. It's not dry, it didn't mat, it's perfectly, like, you know, besides that the one little thing I don't like, I would give it a 9 out of 10. And yeah, so I'm not gonna do much talking in this video. I just really wanted to show you guys what I did to kind of make it look like this, and I actually absolutely love it. thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.